The king of pop, Michael Jackson. Did you know he had vitiligo? The way some persons are treated is not nice at all, especially when those persons look a bit different from the usual. So persons look at other people as though they are not humans or they have one kind of terrible defect, but that's not the case. Look at this picture. Have you seen someone with this skin condition before? Seriously, the first time I saw someone with this condition, I was confused and I was curious at the same time. So what's this condition called? It's called vitiligo. And vitiligo is an autoimmune skin disorder in which the patches on your skin begins to lose its colors or lose its pigments. What I mean by autoimmune is that our immune system mistakenly destroys the cells that is responsible for producing color. And in this case, it destroys the melaninocytes. That's the cells that is responsible for producing the melanin. And melanin is what helps to give your eyes color, your skin color, and your hair color. And so when your body mistakenly destroys those cells, you will have uneven tone on your skin. And that's what happened in the case of vitiligo. So I will say it again. So vitiligo is just when your body mistakenly destroys the cell that is responsible for giving your skin a particular natural color. And when that happens, you begin to have uneven skin tone. Maybe sometimes you see a brown and whitish skin at the same time. That's what vitiligo is all about. And one thing about vitiligo is not contagious. It's not something that can be transferred from one person to another. And research has shown that vitiligo people that have vitiligo are people that might have other autoimmune disorder, maybe related to a thyroid gland disorder. So the cause of vitiligo is not actually known, but it has been shown that it is connected to genetic factor or to some persons that have an underlying condition before. Maybe they have other autoimmune disorder. And so when they do have that, their chances of having vitiligo increases. Vitiligo can occur in all age, whether you're small, you're an adult, or you are old. Vitiligo can occur at different age. And guess what? The king of pop, Michael Jackson. Did you know he had vitiligo? Oh yes, he did. He had vitiligo. And like I said earlier, people with vitiligo are treated a certain way, and that should stop. People living with vitiligo are already going through a lot, saying that their skin tone is not even. And so some of them have not even come to the point where they have accepted that they have to live with vitiligo for a period of time. Some go through low self-esteem. So as an individual, you should not look at them a different or in a dehumanizing way. We are supposed to give them emotional support and not the other way around. So is there a treatment for vitiligo? There are some recommendations that a professional will recommend for someone who has vitiligo. And I will recommend that if you have vitiligo, you should see a dermatologist to recommend the best line of treatment for you. So let me just share some few treatments that someone with vitiligo can use. So there are creams and ointments that help to return the patches to white color or helps to make the skin tone even. Another thing again is depigmentation. Pigmentation is just like color. So depigmentation is just like you're removing the color of your skin. There's some persons where repigmentation doesn't work. Repigmentation means you're trying to make your skin color turn back to the way it was before. But if it doesn't work, some persons consider doing depigmentation, where in most cases the other major parts of their body, maybe it's whitish in color and the lesser part is, let's say, maybe brown. So some person would actually decide to do depigmentation, where they would decide to remove that a natural even part, I think that is maybe like brown, and they will totally use a cream, more like a bleaching agent, that will help to make the whole skin whiter. And that was what Michael Jackson used in his own case. There are some daily care things that people with vitiligo can use. You can use, in fact, it is recommended that you use sunscreen. daily because of the nature of your skin. You can also use makeup as a camouflage. And one most important thing I want you to take out from this is that people with vitiligo need our support because they go through physical, psychological changes. So when next you see someone with vitiligo, do well to look at them just as you are, and do well to show them emotional support. Make them feel love and not the other way around. Don't forget that if you have vitiligo, I recommend that you see a dermatologist instead of self-medicating, because everybody's skin is different. What might work for one person might not work for you. So do well to see a professional or a dermatologist. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I have no doubt that someone will learn something from this video.